Oh man. We're so sick and tired of Tiago 2206-12 for being better than us for obnoxious reasons.
I have to agree with you, Dark Charlie the Anteater.
Hey Dark Bumblebee Bird. I got an idea.
What is it, Dark Charlie the Anteater?
Let's get Tiago 2206-12 arrested.
Great idea, Dark Charlie the Anteater. Let's do that by littering a chocolate bar on a sidewalk.
Good idea, Dark Bumblebee Bird. You're a very smart genius. There. The chocolate bar has been littered. Now, shall we get out of here before we get caught?
Yes, we shall. Now let's zip away.
Oh my god. Who littered this chocolate bar?
Freeze, mister. You are under arrest for littering the chocolate bar on the sidewalk.
But officer, I didn't litter that. It was lying there when I was going out for a walk.
It doesn't matter. Get in the police car right now. You're going to jail for a whole month. This is your cell. Get in there right now.
Wow.
I can't believe I got arrested for a crime I didn't commit. Wait a minute. I bet it was these two nitwits named Dark Charlie the Anteater and Dark Bumblebee Bird who did this to me. That's it. I'm telling the police officer about this. Officer Computer Chippy. Come over here now.
What do you want now, Diago?
I'll tell you the truth, officer. I wasn't the one who looked at the chocolate bar. It was two troublemakers named Dark Charlie the Anteater and Dark Bumblebee Bird. I think I already saw them when I was going out for a walk.
What? Oh my god. They are so going to be arrested for this. Thanks for the information, Diago 2206-12. I'll release you from jail, and I'll go ahead and arrested the two troublemakers instead. Alright. Now to fetch those two imbeciles who framed Diago 2206-12.
Yes. We finally got Tiago 2206-12 arrested. Now let's go eat at Domino's Pizza.
Good thinking, Dark Charlie the Anteater.
Not today, folks. Because you're under arrest for not only littering the chocolate bar, but also framing Diago 2206-12 for the crime you two committed.
Oh no. It's Officer Computer Chippy. I think Tiago 2206-12 must have been released from jail after he told him about what we did to him.
I think you're right, Dark Charlie the Anteater. We're both completely busted now.
Indeed you two are. Now I want you both in the police car immediately. You're both going to jail for a month, and I'm gonna be adding extra 2 weeks for framing him. This is your cell. Both of you get in there right now.
Dark Charlie the Anteater.
Dark Bumblebee Bird.
We can't believe you two got Tiago 2206-12 arrested by littering the chocolate bar on the sidewalk. Framing innocent people for the crimes you have committed is an awful action to do.
That's it. Both of you are grounded for 1 month and 2 weeks.
When you two get out of jail, you'll receive a 30-minute timeout. We're leaving now, so you two get released from jail. Goodbye.
Well, it looks like we're both stuck here in jail for framing Tiago.
I know, right? Can our lives get any worse than that?
No.